Welcome to the Crypto Andrew. Let's look at Solana. So right now, Solana is currently sitting at $155. I wish it was at 300. It's never been at 300. So let's just stay on the 3-day time frame to start things out. On the 3-day time frame, you have been consolidating ever since the 13th of March of this year in a massive pennant. At least that's what it was forming. Now, you wouldn't know that initially, but to me, this is a massive pennant. You could draw it like this, which is, I would say this is a bull pennant, not a falling wedge. You could draw it like that. However you draw it, it looks very bullish to me. And the 3-day time frame on the money flow is just getting started, just crossed the zero line, and now the money flow looks really good to me on the 3-day time frame. On the daily time frame, it is getting overbought, but if you can break $165, I'll say, I would say that would be a breakout, because you can see, if I go back to the 3-day time frame, you can see that ever since you started this, ever since the 24th of March, you've been making slightly lower highs, but basically the same kind of lows. The same lows, but lower highs. That's a bullish formation. That's a bull pennant. So really, I mean, technically, you could have a long swing trade here. You could have a stop loss at $108, and you could really, let me just go full chart here. Technically speaking, you could have a measure move here of that length right there, which would give you a new measure move of approximately a higher high all the way up to 270, or that's a conservative measure move, or you could do the aggressive measure move, which is from all that entire move. Let me just see what that gives you. I always go with the conservative measure move. I think that's a little insane. But right now, Solana does have a measure move of $270. So I do like what I'm seeing on Solana at 270. It looks like that could happen. Now, again, if we jump down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see on the 4-hour time frame, if I go back to the stock RSI and everything, you can see the 4-hour time frame is trying to put in a higher low. Money flow doesn't look good to me, but the 4-hour time frame does look good for a higher low being put in. A lot of crazy volatility on the 1-hour time frame. You went down to 150, then you went up to 160, which actually isn't that crazy. It just looks crazy on the chart. And this isn't the most beautiful falling wedge, but that is a falling wedge nonetheless, with a higher low being put in. And now you got the bounce off support at 144, and ever since you've been trending up. So I would say that technically your next measure move short term for Solana is 168. If you lose 150, it's very likely you come back down to $144. So to me, Solana is gearing up. If you can make this break above 165, like I said, to 168, I think a break at 165 would then be a confirmed breakout of the 3-day time frame. We'll see what happens. Now, this is financial advice. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate if you hit the like. It does help support the channel. It takes no effort at all, so I do appreciate it. And if you guys have requests for other altcoins, let me know in the comment section below. If you guys would like to join the Telegram group, which is free to join, link to join is in the description below. With that being said, that's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for the support. I appreciate it.